Hello, everyone. This is Keith Jackson, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. Right now, you're looking at the third video in a series of videos related to number lines as they relate to benchmark fractions and benchmark decimals. Right now, we're live at Vulture's Dinner Plate, a nice outdoor restaurant for vultures. And as you can see, our two friends are finished. All right, with that in mind, let's go ahead and take a look at our three number lines. Our first number line is divided into tenths. Our second number line is divided into sixths. And our third number line is divided into fifths. And let's take a look at our first number line, in which we have 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10, and 9/10. And as you can see, you can say the same thing up here as a decimal. 0.1 is 1/10, and 0.2 or 0.20 is 2/10. 0.3 and 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8 are an exact match to their fractional equivalent. What I like about tenths, right, is that they relate well to fifths because some of these tenths right here, like 2/10 and 4/10 and 6/10 and 8/10, can be simplified into fifths. Now let's take 2/10, for example. We have 2/10 right here. If we simplify it, it is the same as 1/5. And guess what? They have that same decimal equivalent that you see right above both of those fractions. Now let's take a look at 4/10. And right here, you can just say it just the way you see it as a fraction, 4/10. But did you know that 2/5 is the same as 4/10 as well? And it's right here. The same is true for 3/5. And you can see the 0.6 above the 6/10, and 4/5 is an exact match to 8/10 up here because their decimal equivalents are the same. And let's move on to the second number line, in which we have this number line divided into six. So 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, and 6/6, which equals to one whole. And let's take a look at 3/6. Did you know that 3/6 is also 0.5? It is also 5/10, just like you see right here, because they are in the same position. Okay, and let's take a look at 2/6, which is the same as 1/3. And you can see that because now its decimal equivalent is 0.333. Or if you don't want to say all those threes, just put a bar over the three to let us all know that it is a repeating decimal. We could do the same thing with 4/6 because it is equivalent to 2/3. And we could put a bar over the six just to let us know that it too is a repeating decimal. And 5/6 is 0.83. We put a bar over the three because the three continues to repeat. So we'll put a bar over it just to let us all know that that three is going to be repeating, a repeating decimal. All right, you have received a lot of information. I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause the video to take a look at these three number lines or replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of benchmark fractions and decimals and number lines. In the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.